What's up guys, my name's Kinsey. Welcome to ConGenius. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build out a fence estimate in ConGenius. So for video's sake, I went ahead and already created a project, which is really just 4 steps to create a project. But you'll want to do that. Then you'll come to your project home, which on the right-hand side, you'll be able to add any activity if you're headed to a job site to measure or need to follow up with a client and have a task. You'll be able to log that activity to the right-hand side. You'll also be able to see when a proposal has been sent or an estimate has been sent, it's been viewed or been signed by a customer. So those are some notifications that you'll see in the Activity Center. You also have access to upload files for a project. So if you have job site photos or even aerial view or surveys, you can upload those files. Even job progress photos, those can be uploaded here just so that they're managed while you're on the road or at the office too. I'm gonna go ahead and skip measure. We're working on some better satellite type measuring tools. That's coming soon, so stay in the loop on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and skip to estimate. So I already have our sections built out here, and I'll just skip ahead for a second and show you ConGenius is formatting your proposal for you as you build out your line items on the proposal. So those sections, obviously you can see those broken out here. And then I'm gonna go back to my items tab, which is where you'll just add in any line items and all of your costs for the job. So one thing I wanna show you is if you're new to ConGenius, you have access to the Home Depot catalog. So if you just need to search materials for your fence project, you can search materials from Home Depot there. Or you can use your catalog and import your costs to your catalog. I just suggest going up to this catalog button up at the top and adding in any of your catalog items there. One nice thing you have access to in ConGenius is the ConGenius assembly library. And if you go down to fencing, we're constantly adding more assemblies to this, but we do have a few for privacy fences, treated. We'll go steel post no dig. Let's just add in our sections to our wood privacy fence. I can just drag that over. If you need corner posts added to that as well. Let's see if we have gates. There's a gate right here. I'll drag in a gate assembly, and then I'll just click into one of these assemblies here. So this assembly is per section, and I have all my material products and all my labor calculated in here. So these are pre-built. Obviously you guys can modify them if your labor rates are different or your costs are different, but that's just out of the box. You'd be able to pull that into your estimate and fly through your estimate. So let's just say this job's gonna be 75 sections. All those items and quantities are automatically going to calculate along with the costs for the job. So we're done with our sections, corner posts. Let's say we have 4, a gate, let's go 2. The cost is going to calculate there. So then I have all my line items. I have my demo here as well. Let's go linear feet. We have 150 linear feet of existing chain link fence that we want to remove. So I have that assembly built out as well. You can just see I have some labor and ratios applied there. So once we're done with this step of figuring out your costs, you'll be able to go to your markup tab, where you can specify your markup for the job to cover your overhead and your profit. Skip to the preview step. This is where you'll customize what level of detail you want your customers to see. Do you want to show section totals or hide those? Specifications, unit price, just what level of detail you want to break down for your customer. I'd suggest saving for future projects so that way you don't have to customize that again on the next job as well. Once you're done with this step and you have this looking exactly how you'd like it, you can then hit the send proposal button. And that's where you'll be able to format your proposal in ConGenius. What a lot of our fence contractors are doing is creating multiple projects for maybe wood privacy fence or chain link or vinyl or ag. So a lot of different use cases for that. So creating a project as a template, and then that way you're just making a copy of it and you have all your line items and all you'll need to do is specify your quantities. So once you're done with this step, you'll be able to then send this proposal with terms and conditions and contract to your customer for electronic signature. We have a ton of other videos and support articles that you guys can find on our YouTube channel or on our website. So once you dig in and get going, be sure to check those out to help you get estimating faster. Thanks, guys.